Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make delicious spicy Kpomo sauce. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So here are basically the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this delicious spicy Kpomo sauce. Here I have Kpomo, then here I have fresh pepper. I also have onions. Then here are the local spices I'll be using. Okay, here I have, I think, 5 different types of local spices. I have country onions, I have jansa or akwe, I also have calabash nutmeg, I have uziza seed, and this is called orima seed. Okay, so here are the local spices I'll be using. I'm going to be roasting this first, then I'm going to grind it into powder. And for the pepper, okay, I'm going to be coarsely blending the pepper with the onions. Here I have seasoning cube, then I have scent leaves. I'll be shredding the scent leaves. I'll be washing it, then I'll be shredding the scent leaf, and also the uziza leaves. I'll also be washing and be shredding the uziza leaves. Okay, this is the potash replacement I'll be using. This is called ongo in Igbo language. Okay, it will serve as a potash. Okay, then it's used in preparing these local traditional sauces. Okay, then here I have salt, I have my fresh palm oil. So I also have my crayfish. I'll be grinding it. This is optional, you can choose to leave it out. Okay, and this is Kpomo. Alright, so here are basically the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this delicious Kpomo sauce. So let's get right into the preparation. So here is the Kpomo. It's well washed, so I'll be putting it in the pot. So here is the coarsely blended pepper and onions. I'll be adding little, not all. Seasoning cube. Add salt. So if your Kpomo is too hard, don't add salt yet. Okay, add salt when it's almost tender. So this water will be okay. Then you give it a mix or a stir. Then to cover and leave to cook until it's tender, like completely tender. So as you guys can see, the water is almost dried and it's tender. Okay, it's completely tender. So we're going to remove it from heat now. So guys, here is the already cooked Kpomo. It's time to make the sauce. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to pour in some palm oil into a pot. Ash replacement. Give it a mix. The coarsely blended onion and pepper, crayfish. Here is the ground local spices I showed you guys. So this is it in powdered form. Like I said, I roasted it, then I grounded it. Okay, so add little, don't add the mix. Next, add seasoning cube, uziza leaves and scent leaves. So let's add it. Give it a mix. Then you add Kpomo. Guys, are you seeing this? You're going to love this if you try it out. Taste for salt and add salt if need be. I'm going to be adding little salt. Give it a mix, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to heat it up a little on a very low heat. Just heat it up a little. Don't start cooking it again. Heat it up a little and you're good to go. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is our tasty Kpomo sauce. Check it out. Oh my goodness. You need to try this out. You're going to love it. Your family is going to love it. So nice. So guys, our delicious Kpomo sauce is ready. Guys, this was so delicious. Like, you're going to love it. And as you guys can see, it's easy to prepare. Okay, so make sure you try it out and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.